take a look at this 1934 Chevy. I mean, it's just the color combination or something of it is just, it's kind of a, I don't know, kind of a khaki olive drab green or something like that. Just so beautiful. Let's see what the inside looks like. Ooh, man. Look at that shifter knob. Like a glass doorknob.
Mom and Dad will buy it. They're only about 30 grand. Go for it.
So clean.
Look at the back.
Those running boards. The flow of that fender. The spoke wheels. Spare tire. Yeah. I mean, just the color combination is great. I guess it's kind of a black or a super dark brown. Even the white balls seem like they have a little khaki tan to them. Yeah. Just really a beautiful 1934 Chevy.